Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans and corn both closed lower on Monday, pressured by the continued international trade tensions, especially with China. And don't forget, the European Union's tariffs on U.S. corn went into effect last week. Also at this point, the trade considers near-term crop weather in the United States to be generally non-threatening after some recent rainfall ahead of a warmer, drier pattern in many areas. USDA's 2018 acreage and quarterly stocks numbers are out this upcoming Friday. And wheat closed lower. There was some rainfall over the weekend in parts of Australia, and the Canadian prairies could get some this week as well. And while parts of Russia remain very dry at this point, the overall fundamental outlook remains bearish for wheat. Live and feeder cattle were sharply lower, responding to last week's direct business and the on-feed numbers. This week's show list generally looks smaller than last week in most of the major feeding areas, but at this point it's going to be hard for cattle to get a lot of traction, especially taking into account the drop in the broader market to start out the week. And hogs closed lower on demand uncertainties. Some of those are, of course, connected to China, in addition to position squaring out of Thursday's quarterly hogs and pigs report. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.